Hello, and welcome to this Bizmates Words and Phrases video series for Japanese business people. And today's phrase is a good one. It's a good one where you could use just about anywhere. Business, social, okay? On a scale from 1 to 10, okay, let's learn what it means in just a minute. But first, let's do our usual test. What's given to only a fraction of your employees? Do you remember this? You tell me. Just a few people, remember? A fraction. So, awards, like in my case, Employee of the Month, is given to only a fraction of our employees. Transfers to other countries are given to only a fraction of our employees. Okay, something like this. Okay, I hope you came up with a good answer. Let's go on to today's phrase, which is on a scale from 1 to 10. I really like this. It's a natural, simple phrase you could use in so many situations. Okay, but this is what I often hear. Okay, so I say, Taro, how was the conference? You know, the conference that you attended last week, how was it? And he says, yeah, it was not great. Yeah, but not bad. Okay, so it was so-so. Okay, that's not a bad answer. But if you want to be a little bit more accurate, was it on the great side, or was it on the bad side, or was it in the middle? Where? You can say this. So, if I say, how was the conference that you attended last week? He can say, well, on a scale from 1 to 10, I'd give it a 7. Ooh, did you learn that at the conference? It's a great phrase. Yeah, on a scale from 1 to 10, I'd give it a 7. Yeah, very natural. Okay, so 7 is a so-so, 70%, right? If it's great, you could say on a scale from 1 to 10, I'd give it an 11. Wow, 11? Really? Okay, and you could use it with people. On a scale from 1 to 10, you are an 11. Use like that too. Okay, let's look at pronunciation. So it's ona. On a scale from 1 to 10, I'd give it a, okay, with a pause, I'd give it a 7. On a scale from 1 to 10, I'd give it a 7. Okay, you try. Okay, so let's try it with the question. So, how was the conference? Okay, I see. All right, did you get that? Okay, for homework, on a scale from 1 to 10, what would you give an 11 to? Could be a movie, you know, on a scale from 1 to 10, I'd give Titanic an 11. You know, I'm just kidding. I don't know, just for example. Or a song, you know, or a band, or a person. It could be anything. But on a scale from 1 to 10, there's only 1 to 10, who or what would you give an 11 to? It's got to be really good. I'd like to know. You tell me next time. Okay, thank you.